What's up, YouTube? How's it going? I'm back again for another random video. Well, I thought I'd do two videos in one evening tonight as my house is quiet. So without further ado, this is a re-upload. 2 years ago I made a video about how to make how to make a YouTube video. What you need to know. It's a little bit more than you think. And now with the new YouTube rules, check out my previous video, I talked about that. Here's some quick and easy things to go over for yourself of how to make a good YouTube video. Now, I'm not perfect. If there's anything I'm missing, leave it down below. Share your ideas with everybody. You know, YouTube creators are welcome. Let's help each other out. So, just some things that I thought of. Someone in the comments there a little while ago asked me to do this. But my last video got like 33 views. So I took some ideas from that, and then I thought of some new ones. So without further ado, and time does change, and let's talk about things to make a good video. Interesting title and thumbnail. So that is huge. Back when YouTube first started, you couldn't pick a thumbnail. It would just upload, and then I don't know if it's because I became a YouTube creator, but I got to pick my thumbnail. And now you can edit and put your own stuff in, and times have changed. But back then, you were always hoping for the right thumbnail. Sometimes cameras would catch it more like at the beginning. So back when YouTube was just getting out for clickbait and stuff, you'd put like a chick in a bikini as the picture, and then you'd move it out of the way, and then you start talking or whatever, and then people would downvote it. I don't even know if that was even around. Disliking wasn't even around back then, but or it could have been. I can't remember. But that's a good thing to state. So interesting title and thumbnail. So chick in a bikini, you know, cleavage, that always gets people clicking. Sexual stuff, like kids are curious, right? And as gross as it is, and that's why we're cracking down on laws. But there's still clickbaiting going on, and it's super annoying. But whatever you're talking about, try to keep that in the title, right? Good lighting and sound. This house is for a blind person. I'm going blind with all the lights in here, but a partially blind person. Lots of lights, lots of lights. I do have, I use like heat lights when they're drywalling, you know, big bright lights like that, mechanic lights, whatever you want to call them. They're downstairs. I took off the casings on them so they don't cast like a shadow. Perfect. They were $80 when I went to go buy them at Canadian Tire. I live in Canada. It's like a Rona, whatever. They were on sale for like $40, so I got two big bright lights. LED ones are extremely expensive. They let off a lot less heat and probably burn a lot less hydro, last a lot longer. But more money, or get a professional light. I can go on forever with this video. So get good lighting and sound, get a microphone on your camera. I got this camera like 3 years ago. There's no spot for an extra mic anyway. I believe that if you have a 720p camera, have a good mic. Or 1080p, have a good mic. I believe sound is important over anything. People can see you in 480p, but if they can't hear you, or you're muffled, or you don't talk loud enough in a manly voice, or you're a little girl, or you're quiet and awkward, you know, people want to hear you. Be seen, be loud, be proud. You know, like you're on center stage and you're on live action news TV. Millions of people watch YouTube. Speak loud enough. I said that. Don't talk quietly or awkward. Don't look away. Pay attention to the camera as if it was a person. Good HD camera. You know, 4K is good. Live action cameras are good. Stuff like that. Learn how to edit. Now, a lot of basic MacBooks and that come, or even MacBook Pros that come with, you know, basic editing. You don't have to go overboard. If you're new to YouTube and still starting out like me, I don't make a shit ton of money. You know, just whatever they give you on the computer is good enough. Or if you want to go fancy and big and you got the bucks and you want to go big on YouTube, well then get a good camera right away, get that editing, get that personality in front of the camera, and away you go. Have someone record for you. Unfortunately, I don't have that. I got a tripod, so I do all my own videos. I do all my own stunts. Okay. Oh yeah, if you're recording with your phone, try to keep it in landscape, not portrait. I noticed that YouTube on the last update, they fixed it so it's a little bit bigger on your phone. That is awesome. I wish all videos that were even in landscape mode were like that. That filled up more of the phone for the smaller phones. Even smaller than my iPhone 7, because a lot of the older iPhones, the screens are tinier. The newer phones now, jumbo. But I don't like turning my phone sideways all the time to watch the video. I like being able to see the video and text and leave comments and shit. Or even watch a freaking YouTube video and then do other things on my phone, but we're not there yet, unfortunately. Netflix, YouTube, come on, get with it. I want to do other stuff. I want to watch YouTube. Sometimes I'll have my Mac going and then I'll be on my phone or whatever. Big nerd right there. Okay, don't be shy or awkward in front of the camera. Like I stated, I have anxiety, a little bit of social anxiety, you know. When I'm around people I'm comfortable with, I act myself, family obviously. When it's new people, you know, I look at the camera, I don't know who's watching this. You know, you tend to get shy. You like, always know what you're doing before you talk in front of the camera, and just be yourself. People don't want some weirdo, you know. I just came here to watch the weirdo. Oh, he's doing really good now. He's not shy and awkward. A lot of my videos don't have comments on them because there's not a whole lot of arguing to go on. Like, oh, this guy doesn't know this guy. There's debates, or people try to prove me wrong and shit I didn't research right. But there's never like a lot of stupid, hateful comments and stuff because, you know, I don't want to make videos like that on YouTube, and it really pisses me off seeing those comments. So it'll be deleted and blocked. So yeah. What else? Research your stuff before you post it. Don't post fake news. YouTube's cracking down on that big time. There's a thing where they monetize you, which means pay, demonetize you, and then can get monetized, which means like my Vine videos, like I was talking about in the last video, check that out. Anytime you upload a video that's just stupid, like recording the lights or like flicking your nail, I'm sure some of those YouTube channels now are gone. You're gonna notice that. Opening up a door, opening up a closet door, opening up a car door, like stupid videos like that, dropping a sock. How to drop a sock, like when Ray William Johnson talked about that a couple years ago. Stupid videos like that probably won't be around much longer. Ads don't want to put their shit on stuff like that. They're getting strict. They want to put their ads on people that actually are professional, that care about, you know, life in general, not making stupid videos. That's what it's going to come down to. YouTube's going to get very political, and they're just going to boot all those people out. You can still make those videos, but you're not going to get any money for them. And a lot of people want to make money, right, doing these videos, and that's what boosts a lot of people is, woo, money's involved. If money wasn't involved, it would just be random stupid shit. But if we went to that platform, you know, YouTube might just die totally, and then something else will come out and offer money. So yeah, research your stuff. Don't put fake news. Don't put shit how-to if you don't know what you're talking about. I sound like a hypocrite. I've done that. I've changed. I've learned over the years. I deleted lots of stuff. I kept up a lot of videos that still get me views and a bit of money. I still have to make money, right? I still want to make money. Money, money, money. It's all about money. It's not all about money. I like leaving up that crap, even though I'm not getting paid for it, just to have people come to my channel, debate with me. Oh, this guy's funny. My sandwich video is like my most popular video, over like 150,000 views. Like past my base video of like 5 years. I've had other videos above that, but they got deleted. But I'm just saying, I didn't think anyone would find me funny making a sandwich, but apparently I need to work at Subway or do it more often. Stay tuned, I got some weird ideas with food coming. Ideas from YouTube or searching, yeah, like research your topics. I learned ideas from YouTube or searching a video if I don't see it. So how I pick my ideas, if I don't find a video online, like, oh, how to fix a stove, and no one's doing it, then I'll just make it myself. I've learned to do that. Ideas from YouTube or searching a video, yeah. So research your topics, look on YouTube. I'll watch other people's videos, learn their headlines of how they did it, and then I'll do it myself. Like, I want to talk about something, I'll watch like 10 versions of it, right? So that's that. Blech. I'm reading and trying to look at you and try and do this without editing because I suck at editing. I'm trying to be funny in between, even though probably nobody's watching anymore. So that's how I pick my titles. And I want to put up, like if you notice with my unboxing, my Blu-rays, I'll actually just put the title and not unboxing it. That was an idea for my girlfriend for me to do that, because if someone's typing in to watch the movie for free online, they'll click on my video. Whether they dislike it or not, I don't care. You watched it. Now they pay based on watch time and not clickbait. So all those bots, all that crap's gone. You actually have to physically watch the video now. Oh, boo-hoo. You gotta be good at something. You might as well sit in front of the camera and see if you're good and people watch your stuff. Don't do misleading titles. Yeah, don't upload stuff that's misleading. Yeah, it's super annoying. You know, a lot of clickbait. YouTube will quickly scan that and not pay for it. They'll just put you in, like I said, in to monetize list. Then you got to go through like a whole process. Like I was talking about the guy dropping the sock. Some of my stuff got, like if you swear too much, they'll just quickly, I know why they demonetize some of my videos that I can put up a dispute for. A lot of it, some of it's copyright, and a lot of it I don't care to because they got no views. Our ads just don't want to be on that channel, so that's why they don't want to pay for it. Unless you can actually prove that it's your video and it's just a big legal thing, and it takes forever. I mean, like some of those videos that are just dead, I just don't even care to make money on them. As long as it's still on my channel to be watched. Don't swear, especially with new YouTube rules. You're only allowed to swear so many times anyways. Plus I got a lot of comments on my old videos. It's unprofessional, and you know, people, younger kids might be listening in the background or watching one of my videos thinking it's funny that I'm swearing, blah, 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 blah. So I've cut that down a lot. I apologize for swearing, you know, it's unprofessional. And, you know, you wouldn't go to work and swear in front of your boss or get invited out, Christmas party, whatever, and this fucking, you know, angry black man, you know, like his channel's suffering, you know. But he's not changing, so that's cool, that's totally his choice. Don't make long videos or go over and edit it. Yeah, so if you're making long videos, try to, like, if you see a 3-minute how-to video, keep it short, simple, sweet. If they can do it in 3 minutes, do a little shorter. You're paid on how long it's watched, right? Not how many clicks. So, or even if you make a longer video and you get that whole video watched, that's another way of how you're paid as well, right? But I'm just speaking to a YouTuber. If you're just a viewer wanting to learn how to do YouTube stuff, you know, these are good tips. Don't make long videos. Don't go 20-30 minutes on a video. Once you finally become a YouTuber, you can upload like 15-20 minute videos. I don't know what it is for non-YouTubers. Short and sweet anyways, right? You want to get people to your channel, so, or link them all in a row. Go 10 minutes in duration, and you know, or edit out stuff you don't think is good, like a movie. You know, they cut stuff from the floor all the time, right? Oh, this is no good. You know, teach people quick and easy, get to the point in your topic, like I'm doing here. You know, keep it under 10 minutes. And I just went through that whole list for you guys. Quick, easy, simple stuff. And I know what I need to fix. You should know what you need to fix. Get on it. There you have it. There's your ideas. I know I need a better camera or a better microphone, but it's quiet. There's lights. I'm talking to you guys. You don't hear any background noise. You know, just like that. Do stuff simple, sweet. Get to the point. Get to your audience. Hopefully they hit that like button, but most of all, hit that subscribe button. And thanks so much, guys, for watching. And I'll talk to you real soon. And thank you for all the new subscribers, by the way. Stay tuned for free movie codes. Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you real soon. Bye for now.